Okay, I'm back with Jeff Uhl, the Toolbox Transformer. Hey Jeff, I gather we're going to talk about how to secure these rolling Packout dollies to the van. Is that right?
Yes, we will. I have two of these Packout to secure to my van because I don't want them to roll all over the place. So this is a fast way to secure them. It's only using the back clip of the Packout, this one here, and it will latch right on that hook.
Okay.
So even if it left,
nice. Okay.
it's secure.
That's a good system. And then this is the same hook over here, is that right?
Yeah, that's the same hook for the other Packout.
Okay.
And we just need to put everything on and keep stacking, and nothing's ripping. This is it. That's the second one. You just have to back it up here. Bring the latch down. Right here. And it's secure.
All right, Jeff. Thank you very much. We'll see you next week.
See you next week.